Hello friends, my name is Shivam from DevOps Schools and I will help you to enable your learning process in various technologies of DevOps, artificial intelligence, machine learning, big data and many more. This is our initiative to help you by sharing multiple tutorials and videos. And if you want any specific tutorials or any particular topic, then please do comment in the below comment section and I will help you with it. Also, please subscribe to our premium services on YouTube, which will give you access to more content and videos to enhance your knowledge about all these topics. Also, if you want me to help you with regards to the online trainings and classroom sessions by our qualified trainers, then please do write me at contact@devopsschool.com. Thank you.
So we have discussed yesterday till infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, right? And software as a service, right? Correct?
Yes. Yes.
So today we are going to start about the types of cloud in Azure. Okay. So how many types of cloud in Azure? Three types, right?
types.
Public, private, and hybrid.
Yes.
So are you using cloud, guys?
I was, but no.
In day-to-day life, are you using cloud? Yes or no? I will ask Arun.
When I was on Accenture, yes.
I'm asking day-to-day life, not
Yeah,
professional life.
yes. Yes, yes.
Yes, we are using, because we are using Gmail, right?
Yes.
We are using iPhone, right? iCloud. We are storing all our images, files, right? We are using smartphones, right? Correct, guys? So we are using or not? Tell me.
Yes.
So what type of cloud? Now the question is coming, what type of cloud we are using there? Tell me. Whether it is
Public.
a public cloud, whether it's a private or hybrid cloud.
Public.
Who said? Arun, Abhilas.
Sorry, I
Yes.
was in call, so just now just unmuted. I was in office call just now finished. I think I joined now.
Oh, my office
Okay.
call is also okay, no issues. Yeah, so my question was, what type of cloud we are using in day-to-day life?
Day to life, it's a public cloud only. Public cloud means like hosted. What kind of you're asking? Public means in the day to life.
Like
It's a
we are
public.
using, see, we are using iCloud, right? If you are using iPhone, if we are using Gmail also, right? We are using smartphones also, right? So
Hmm.
all our images and all we are saving somewhere in cloud, right?
Hmm.
I'm asking personally, not in professionally, in Accenture or IBM, or those are what I'm not talking about the professional uses. I'm talking about the personal uses. So what type of cloud we are using?
Mostly public cloud only, because the most freeware thing kind of thing, like mostly very public cloud only.
Arun, right? This is
Yeah.
Arun, right?
Yeah.
Avilas, he's right or wrong? Tell me.
I think it's right.
Sure.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because when you're paying money, like I want to, then your data will be secured for the sure.
Okay. See, I told you yesterday that nothing is free in cloud. If you are going to buy iPhone, then only you are able to use the iCloud. Correct?
Yes.
They are not taking money directly, they are taking indirect way. Try to understand. So that's the reason my statement was yesterday, nothing is free. Correct? Either
What
they are
about
going to
what about
Gmail.
Gmail? Because Gmail,
Yes,
it's
yes. Coming to that point, don't worry. I will come that. So you are using Google, right?
yeah.
Gmail. right? So what kind of benefit Google is getting from us? We are using so many services, right?
Services means like we are using the Android phones.
Gmail,
Android phone.
Gmail.
Android phone.
Yeah, and there are
Even
so many
throughout.
services we are using, right?
Yes.
From Google.
Yes.
See, everything is business. How many users are using Google platform? That is also one of the advertisement, correct? Also, you are providing all the datas. How you are getting all the calls from all the different institutes? How you are getting calls? How you are getting so many mails regarding the advertisement in your inbox, especially in Gmail? There must be some business mechanism is involved, right?
Hmm.
Correct?
Yeah.
See, that's the reason I'm telling you, no one is going to give you free for anything. That is totally separate, data migrations, data validations, all that is, I'm not going to that topic. Once we will, data migration class, I will explain you all this stuff. Okay. See, so that's the reason whether they are taking your information, right?
Yes.
Hello.
Yeah.
And
Yeah. Correct.
then, so data nowadays, data is like a oil. Okay. Data is oil or not? Earlier we can, right, I can give you the very good example, especially in India. Jio is what Jio is doing right now. 5 years ago, even we can't imagine that Jio is like, the data will be so, easily available, especially internet is available and all the datas and all. Because nowadays, if you have a data, any kind of data, you can play around in the market. Correct,
Yeah.
guys?
Yeah.
Yes. Yes.
I'm going to give you very simple example. Whenever you will visit any restaurant nowadays, automatically you will get a notification on your mobile that how can you rate itself, what kind of
Yeah.
rating, all they are automatically they are going to send you the message, right? How they are doing this? You are on track. If you are going to if you are using a smartphone, if you are using iPhone, all this stuff, you are on under someone is what tracking your activity automatically. Even you haven't posted on the Facebook, I have checked in and all this stuff, but automatically sometimes whenever you will visit any restaurant, 5-star and all, any kind of, you automatically will get from Google, you will get some notification. Clear? So nothing is free. Directly they are not taking the money, but indirectly they are taking, right? Correct, guys?
Yes.
Yep.
Okay. So now basically in Azure, we have 3 types of cloud, that is public, private and hybrid. As I told you yesterday that if you are going to search on types of cloud, you will get public, private, hybrid, multi-cloud, community cloud. Okay. So those are
Yep.
different. But in the exam, you should remember for Azure, you only 3 types of cloud: public, private and hybrid. Now, let's discuss about the public. A public cloud is owned by a cloud service provider, also known as hosting provider. It provides resources and services to multiple organizations and users who connect to the cloud service via secure network connection, typically over the internet. So basically, we can use public cloud over the internet. Exactly, we are using like iCloud. We are using or not? Without internet, we are not able to save our anything into the cloud, right? If you are not
Yes.
connected with the internet, the sync will not work, right?
Yes.
So that is what public cloud. And one more thing, public cloud is not secure as compared to the hybrid and private, because without the VPN, virtual private network, we are able to access the public cloud. But without VPN, we are not able to access the private cloud. Clear? What is the difference between public and private?
Yes.
Private cloud is more secure as compared to public cloud. Why? Because extra security layer we have introduced into the private cloud. What is that extra security layer? VPN, right?
Yes.
Yes.
You have the access, like Avilas, you are working in Accenture, right? MNC. Arun,
Yes.
you are also working in MNC, right? Some of the
Yes.
application you are only able to access through VPN, right? Project
Yes.
or something.
Yeah.
How? Why? Because they have added one more layer of security. Clear? The
Yes.
difference between public and private. And hybrid is what? Combination of public and private.
Hmm.
Hybrid is what? Combination of public and private. Now the question is coming, okay, Rohit, tell me when I can use public cloud, when I can use private cloud, when I will go for hybrid cloud solution, correct?
Yes.
Oh, hybrid is a combination of your own data center and as well as cloud,
No,
they
no,
used to say.
hybrid is see, forget about the data center.
So existing physical
I will tell
On-premise.
data
you, yeah, on premise, I will come into that point.
on-premise,
Don't worry.
on-premise and the cloud. That is a hybrid.
No, 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 wait. Hybrid is a combination of public and private.
Okay.
Private, now see, try to understand. I am going to give that example only, don't worry. Okay,
Hmm.
so see, in private cloud is also two types. First one is internal private cloud, the second one is external private cloud. Internal private cloud is what? Data center, company on data center, Accenture on data center, Wipro on data center, IBM on data center. Okay, and external is what? The cloud provider like Azure, AWS, Google, IBM, they are providing what?
Hmm.
Private cloud. Okay, so when
Okay.
inside, so that's the reason hybrid cloud is what? Combination of private plus
Public.
public. So inside the private itself, internal private cloud plus external private cloud, both are coming.
Okay.
Clear concept. Do not see, if some in the interview they will ask you what is the difference between a private cloud, internal private cloud and external private cloud. Internal private cloud is what? Company owned data center.
So, okay.
Clear, Arun?
Yeah, got it.
Now confusion is clear.
Yeah.
Okay. Feel free to ask me any question. Don't worry. I'm here to explain you.
Okay.
Okay. Last 10 years I'm playing with cloud only. 10 or 11 years. Okay.
Okay.
Now the question is coming, when to use public cloud, when to use private cloud, when to use hybrid cloud. Correct?
Yep.
Yeah. So anyone have any idea? Mohammed, you back? Mohammed is
No,
there?
he's not. No. He's not yet. He's
Okay.
not there.
Oh, he haven't. Okay.
So
I got a message after 10 minutes. Okay. Okay. So when to use? Anyone have any idea? Tell me.
yeah, if that your application is not required any security, or it's a public kind of application, so you can host that application in a public cloud. If you want your database secure and all things, so database will need to be deployed in a private cloud. And the combination of these two hybrid, so front end we can put in a public cloud, back end database kind things we can put in a private cloud. So with that combination becomes a hybrid.
Okay. Okay. That is what one of the scenario. Okay.
Yep.
Correct. You are correct. Let me give you very basic example. Okay.
Yep.
See, we are storing in server or database. Basically, what we are storing? We are storing data only,
Data.
right?
Data
Everything is
configuration. Yep.
data. What configuration data also? Any type of
Yeah,
data.
data.
Just let it be data.
Data.
You are Abhilash. You are employee of Accenture, right?
Yep.
ex-employee or employee, right? You are employee of
Yes.
Accenture. So you have your information have multiple things like your name, your date of birth, your
Yep.
employee information, your salary structure, right? Your designation, your year of birth. So all these type of, so these are what different types of data or not. Like
Yes.
salary is what you cannot, a company is not going to disclose your salary on the public platform, right?
Yes.
Like each and every organization have some public platform, right? People dot right, like in Accenture, people.accenture.com, correct?
Yes. Yes.
So whether they are going to disclose your salary on that page, no, right?
No. No.
They are also not going to disclose your year of birth. They can disclose, okay, suppose your today is 15th 16th Feb, you can, okay, 16th Feb is the birthday, but which year you have born, they are not going to disclose.
Right.
Okay,
Yeah.
clear?
Yes.
So these are what secure data or not, tell me.
Secret data.
Salary, now your name, your designation, these are not so much secure, right, as compared to
Yes.
the salary and all.
Yes. Correct.
Correct. So whenever you will come across these kind of segregation into the data, you will always use the hybrid. Because see, if you are going to use public cloud, it is what less expensive as compared to private cloud. Correct. So these type of your name, your designation, your date of birth, we can put into the public cloud, right?
Yes.
And salary and year of birth, this kind of, just I'm taking very simple example, we can put into the private cloud, right?
Yes.
So right now for employee information, we are using two types of cloud.
Yeah.
See, hybrid is a bucket. Inside that, try to understand, hybrid is a bucket. Inside that, private and public are present. Clear? In a simple, very simple way. So understand when to use public cloud, when to use private cloud, when to use hybrid cloud.
Yeah.
So these kind of scenario they will create they will ask you in the exam, and you have to pick which solution: hybrid cloud, public cloud, private cloud. So which one is the best for this scenario? Hybrid, right? Because
Yeah.
we are using private and public both, right? If we will put all the data into the private, then what will happen? Cost will be very high. Correct?
Yeah.
Yes.
So everything is a business. Try to understand. Whenever you are going to design the any solution, either it is infrastructure solution or anything, you have to must think about the budget, how much you have budget. So that's the reason from first class I'm telling you everything is a business. Clear the concept of public, private and hybrid? Anyone have
Yes.
any doubt?
No.
Okay, types of private cloud, who will tell me?
Internal and external.
Good. So that is what public cloud is, what agility, no capital expenditure. Private cloud is what control and security, and hybrid cloud is what flexibility. Correct? It is going to give us the flexibility and compliance. So in private cloud we are getting more control. Organization is getting more control on that. Clear? Anyone have any doubt? Difference between public, private and hybrid? Okay, so we are using one common all our organization. Okay, so one common platform for the trainer. So see, this is the home page of portal.azure.com. All are in this place, right?
Yes.
All have login, right? See, if
Yes.
you want to, so there are two ways. This is what here you can see all the services which are available here. Okay, you can click home, dashboard, all this stuff. Okay, this is what PowerShell,
PowerShell.
Cloud Shell. Okay, This is what? Tell me who have yesterday, who have created the account?
Yeah, me.
Avilas, right?
No, Arun.
Who was in? Okay,
Arun,
Arun.
Arun. Yeah.
Okay, Arun. So this is what, from here we can check the subscription. This is the notification. This is setting. Okay, and this is what feedback. This is what to help and
Help.
support. Okay, do not take any help and all right now, Arun. Especially your is what, pay as you go. So first of all, which type of subscription we are using? How to check? Correct. So first of all, we are going to type here this subscription. You can see that subscription have came. So this particular ID will show pay as you go model, right? Pay as you go, right? But I will ask, if you are going to check, it will be show you free model.
Yeah, I'm checking. Yeah.
It will show
Yeah,
you
it's a
free. Yeah,
free trial.
Arun, it will show you pay as you go because you are pay as you go. Correct?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Uh,
Clear?
Yep. Azure subscription 1 it's showing.
Yeah, let it be one. What
Oh,
happened?
okay. No, just in the subscription name is Azure subscription 1 is there. Here you are saying pay as you go. No, that's why I'm asking. My screen
Okay.
is showing. Okay.
Okay. Now we are going to create the virtual machine. Okay, and then we are going to access that virtual machine. Okay, yeah. So our first lab is what? Creating the what?
Virtual machine.
Create the VM. Okay, this is our first lab. So first of all, just open the one notepad, Arun. In your system, open one notepad. All of you guys have also, write down all the lab one. Write down. AZ900. Just put it. Okay. Notepad name you can put AZ900 labs and lab one. First one, write down create virtual machine. Lab one is create virtual machine. Okay, in Azure portal. Second, lab two, write down. All of you, Mohammed and Avilas, you guys have to
Yeah.
also write down all these
Yeah.
labs. Connect to the virtual machine. After creation, we have to do connection also. Also, we have to establish the connection also. Lab third, install any software in the VM virtual machine. Okay, so these three labs first we have to complete. Okay, guys.
Yep.
Clear? Anyone have any doubt? Avilash, Arun, Mohammed, anyone have any doubt?
No, clear.
Yeah.
Clear,
So just
Rohit.
yeah. Okay, great. So copy these three items and paste into the chat so that everyone can paste these things into their notepad. Okay, now go to the portal.azure.com. Click on home page. Click on home. There is home, right? Yes. See, right now you can see. Let me increase the font. Okay. So one more thing. Before one more, just open the notepad and write down these one. Lab 4. Create the resource group. What is resource group? Theory I will explain you, in the second module. Because see, in Azure, without resource group, we are not able to create any instance. But in AWS, we are able to create without resource group also. So this is also one of the difference between AWS and Azure. Okay, guys. Arun,
Okay.
you must be knowing this because you are
Yeah,
from
yeah,
infrastructure.
yeah.
Correct? In
Yeah, correct.
AWS? Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So
After that,
these
we will
four,
assign the resources, like IAM, Identity Accesses Management in
yeah.
AWS.
Yes. Here also we can, after creating, we can, okay. So, but here it is what, here it is what, it is necessary that without resource group, we are not able to create itself. Azure portal, Azure cloud provider is not allowing you to create the any kind of instance or resource without resource group. Now,
Okay.
what is resource group? I'm just giving you one liner. Resource group is what? It is a set. What is set? You know, set in mathematics. Anyone have any idea?
Group.
Groups, no? Set.
Yes, group. So basically, it is what?
Read,
Group
write,
of
access.
resource.
Re-
Group of resource, not read write. Don't go there. Read write. That is
Okay.
Azure Active Directory work. Don't go there.
Okay.
Okay. Resource is just, it's just a bucket. Inside the bucket, multiple resource, different types of resource will be available. Either VM or either database, anything, network. Okay. Clear?
Okay.
Clear resource
Yes.
group. Now,
Yes.
first we have to create the resource group. Okay. Now, see, right now you guys are doing in the home also, I need all the stepwise document. Okay. First we need to navigate to the portal.accenture.com, then we have to select this, and then we are going to select all these items like a stepwise document. So it will be reference for you for future. Maybe after classes or session you will forget. Correct, Mohammad Vilas, right?
Yeah.
Maybe it is not possible to remember each and everything. So better take each and every step screenshot. Okay.
Yeah.
Recording will be available, but you don't have so much time in at the time of examination that you are going to listen almost 2 hours recording daily. Correct. So better within 10 minutes you can revise. Okay. Now go to portal.azure.com. Arun. Yes. So first of all, we have to create resource group. So how to wait, do not go in that way. Wait, do not go. So there are two ways to select the or find out the resource group. Just now Arun have pointed that there is a resource group is showing, but maybe there are so many services which is not visible right now, right?
Yeah.
Correct, guys. For that don't click here and there. Wait. Okay. So for that we have to type that particular instance into the search box. So there is a search box, right?
Yes.
Please type resource groups. So whenever you are going to type, it is showing resource group, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
Click that. Click that. Wait. So you can see that nothing is available here, right?
Yeah.
There's no resource group is available on your dashboard, Arun, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Now we have to create there is a plus icon, new. Click on that. So these are step you have to write down on your document. Tomorrow I will check. Okay. Yeah. So Azure subscription 1, let it be. It by default. Wait. Here we have to give the resource group name. Okay. Just put RG test 01. TEST, that capital T and EST will be small, then it looks good. Correct.
Okay.
And now you can click on create, review and create.
To get our channel membership, click onto the join button, select the $399 plan and grow your skills immensely.
There's a
region
above
region.
region, let it be East US.
Okay.
Top, there is a review plus create. After basic tags, review, right? Yeah, so click on review plus create. So validation pass, right? Now you can click on create. So what kind of validation here it is here it is doing? Tell me. Anyone have any idea?
Just checking
Wait,
that
wait,
name
wait,
was
wait.
given.
Yes, whatever data we have entered, they are going to validate whether it is a correct or wrong. Second thing, what it is validating, in which region you are creating, that is East US, right?
Yes.
So East US, whether are you eligible to create the resource group in East US region or not? I will explain you what is region, what is Azure subscription in module 2. Don't worry. Okay, what is the definition of region and all, just practically I'm showing you. Okay, so here it is also going to validate whether you are able to create the resource group into that particular region or not. See, you are using pay as you go. Someone, Avilas, is using free trial, correct, Avilas?
Yes.
Yes. So maybe you are not able to create the resource group in so many regions if you are going to open, and you will say that you don't have permission to create. Even sometimes pay as you go model also, you don't have you don't have permission to create, or maybe the instance are not available in that. Clear?
Yes.
It may happen or not. Mohammed, are you getting all this point?
Yes, yes.
Okay, so these are the questions they will ask. What kind of validation they are going to do whenever you are going to submit your profile as a DevOps architect or solution architect. Okay, they will ask you these kind of questions, or infrastructure architect.
One question, Rohit, like where can we see like these are the list of validations that are actually happening?
Actually, that is the data, whatever we data we are putting those kind of validation, that is from back office they are doing.
Okay.
They
Because
have
if
internal mechanism.
in case like in future I want to automate everything as a DevOps engineer, right? So my primary job will be to validate few stuff, right? Like if I'm going to create a new resource group, I need to see whether this resource group is already created or not. Okay, if it is created by whom and
Yes,
things like
so
that, right? So in terms of validation,
exactly.
yeah.
Okay, so see, if you want to automate that infrastructure part, you have to use some of the tools, right? Terraform,
Yes.
right? Ansible.
Yeah.
Those are in different, but you have asked, that's the reason I'm guys, just give me 1 or 2 minutes. Okay, I will explain, then I will come to this topic. Okay, so whenever you are going to write the code and whenever you are going to run, it will give the error. Okay, so from they will, like we are writing the like in a simple example, Mohammed, whenever we are going to write the Java program, we are compiling, right?
Right.
So then we are able to understand, okay, this is the error, right? Similar way, whenever you are going to pass your code, infrastructure code, here hitting, it will do the validation, it will show this is the error, this particular region you are not allowed to create. Okay, so all this thing will be happen in backend.
Okay.
In the error log, you will get each and every information. Okay, yeah, okay, come to this point. Okay, so RG resource group is done.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, now we have to create the virtual machine. Okay, now type into the search box virtual machine, like that. Okay,
But
so you
anywhere
can,
in the one more question, sorry, Rohit.
yes,
But
yeah,
anywhere in the Microsoft document, can we find for this particular resource, these are the validations that are by default necessary or actually done?
Like these are the validation means what type of validation you are, whatever data we are entering, you are talking about that.
Yeah.
So that validation you can see what are the, you have, there is one Excel sheet that I will explain you in AZ104.
Okay.
Okay, so that
Mhm.
what can in infrastructure part right now I am in basic. Okay, so in
Okay.
AZ104 I will explain you how to create the Excel for that.
Okay. Fine.
Okay, in detail.
List of like the
List
default
of
validation that. Yeah.
yes, exactly. So
Fine.
that
Fine.
I will give you the assignment. I will explain you for one or two. Okay,
Mhm.
like
Sure.
virtual machine. Then I will give you for prepare the document for Azure SQL or Azure VNet. Okay, all this
Sure. Sure.
assignment parts.
Okay.
Don't worry, I will make you sure that you will get very good job. Don't worry, I will explain each and silly things also I'm explaining.
Sure.
Okay,
Yeah.
so now in virtual machine dashboard you can see that nothing is available, right
Yeah.
guys? So we have to, so there is a similar way we have to click on add
Right.
button. So whenever you are going to click, there is a virtual machine plus icon, click that. See, virtual machine components and all these things I will explain you in AZ104. Okay,
Okay.
in detail. So here, wait. See, wait, one by one, let me explain you the first window. Here you can see that subscription, it is what? It is taking Azure subscription first. By default, it is taking here, right? Second is
Yes.
what? It is asking resource group, that is mandatory, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Either you can create resource, wait. Either you can create resource group from here also, create new button is there, right? If you have
Yes.
not
Yes.
created earlier,
Mm.
Right.
you have already created RG test 01, right?
Yes.
Yes.
So you can select from the drop down. It is available, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, you have selected. Now we have to give the virtual machine name. So what name we have to provide?
Mm.
Azure VM
Yeah.
test 01 or VM test 01. VM test 01 or my VM, what may be 01.
Okay.
Okay, let it be region is available East US because RG also we have created in East US. Let it be. Go down.
Rohit, one question.
Yes.
I can change the region. Just I'm asking you because in the resource group
Yeah,
we created it.
we can. Yes,
US used to be created, but in the for this
you can.
again
You
we have
can change. You can
changed.
change. You can change. No issues.
Okay.
From the
Okay.
list of drop down, you can change, but
Okay.
it will charge you extra. Your pay, your account is pay as you go.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. So you can change. No issues. This is drop down value only. See,
Okay.
now you can see that image is by default it is what selected Ubuntu, but we are creating the window VM. In the lab, please write down window VM. Linux VM we will create later. In the lab, just write down create window VM before. So for creating the window VM, we have to select what? Window operating
OS.
system, OS, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
Windows Server 2019 data center or last Windows 10 Pro, anything you can select. Last one select. Whether it is check, whether it is available or not. See here, then and there it is what? Validation will be work. Okay. Now select some other size. It is not available other size. Okay, the cost is very high. Okay,
Mm.
select in other. Wait. Select some other Windows operating system. See, before creating any instance, please validate. Select Windows Server 2019 data center Gen 1. Yeah. Wait. It's loading. Come outside the box.
It's very high.
Yeah. Let it be. We will delete. Don't worry. I will delete right now. We will delete your. machine.
Okay.
Let it be, select anything. Okay. Now username, just put Azure user. So that, and please in the notepad, please remember and copy this Azure user, copy and paste in your notepad. Otherwise, if you will forget, then we are not able to access. Avilas, are you getting?
Yes.
Okay. Right now here, try to understand. And password, you can give anything. We are not going to ask you anything regarding the password, but please remember that password. No, 12 character.
12
It's
character.
combination. Yeah, it is
Mm.
asking combination of all the three. Put Arun at the rate capital A Arun at the rate 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 like that. See, 12 character, man. The value
Okay.
must be between 12 and 123 character.
4, 5, 6, 8, 9.
Whatever password you are doing, putting, please remember that password. With that password only we are able to access.
Okay.
Yeah.
Done.
So it is, yeah, wait. It is already RDPN C589. Okay. Go down. Let it be because we are going to access through. Okay. Now review and create. Select that checkbox and review and create. All the different tabs and all, I will explain you infrastructure in AZ104. Okay. So what? Never. Right hand side, there is what, save and
Oh, never. Okay, sorry.
yeah. Okay. So you can see that 0.1260 USD per hour. Right?
Yeah.
And Avilas, if you are creating on your, so it will show you in INR.
Yes.
Okay. So these are the difference. Do not get confused. Okay. Now click on create. So these are, wait, just a second. So
Oh,
these are the validation, it gone. Okay. Disk, networking, management. Okay. Mohammed.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes,
So
sir.
these, after that you will get, you can prepare the Excel sheet from here.
Okay.
I will explain you detail how to create Excel and all this stuff in AZ104. Okay. So you can see that in notification bar, something is going right. Deployment is in progress. And above, in after the search box, there is what, PowerShell, not here, notification. Go to notification.
mm,
After
because
that, yes, it is in progress bar is going.
yeah.
There is 2, it is showing notification 2, right?
Click on the third one. Yeah.
After search box, there is third number icon. For a second.
Down.
Below.
No,
Down.
actually,
Not,
my this one is high. Okay.
okay, here. So you can see the deployment is in progress. What are the things you did? Resource group you have created, right? All this history you can check from here. Okay. That's all. So right now it will take 2-3 minutes. Avilas, are you getting this thing
Yes.
or not?
Yes.
So it will take 2-3 minutes. Okay.
Yep.
So it is going, it have already given you what, success message, right? Your
Yeah.
deployment is complete. So now you can directly go to the virtual machine resource by virtual machine dashboard, or by clicking go to the resource, directly you will navigate to your virtual machine. So this is your VM, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
Clear?
Yes.
Okay. Now, what are the operation we can perform on the virtual machine? That is what I'm going to explain you right now. So first icon is what you can see, that connect. Wait, do not click. Do not click. So we can connect from here also. We can access this particular VM through RDP also, correct, Arun? You are from
Yeah.
infrastructure, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Avilas, are you getting this?
Yes, yes.
Okay, we
Using
can. I
public
will
IP.
show. Yeah.
Using public
Wait.
IP.
Yeah, public IP. Wait. After that, there is what? Restart, stop, capture, delete, refresh, all this stuff. Okay. Now just copy the public IP address. There's a copy. In your machine, there is a start button. Type
MST.
RDP, remote desktop. Yes. Put the RDP. Now wait. Do not click on connect. Show options. Wait. There is a show options. Here put the username, that is Azure user. Okay, now you can click on connect. Now put the password. Click on yes. Avilas, so it will take first time you are creating and first time you're logging. So it will take few minutes to prepare your image. Okay. Arun and Vilas, Muhammad.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Any doubt till now?
No. The thing is, I have doubt. So how about license and all?
Which type of license you are talking? Who is asking this question?
Voice. Abhilash.
Vilas. So whenever here license and all, you are paying for that, okay? Because it's a
Okay.
pay as you go.
Okay.
You no need to take separate license like you're talking about, like that. We have purchased the laptop, then additionally we are going to say, right?
Yeah. Right.
Okay, so not those kind of confusion. Okay, this is now close. Okay, now open the Internet Explorer here. Go to start. By default, any browser, Internet Explorer or Edge, what it may be, just check which type of browser is available by default. Internet Explorer, right? Open
Yeah.
the Google and check whether internet is working or not. Ask me later. Arun, please delete that virtual machine from your portal. Let me
Okay.
please. I'm just going to make you a presenter. Meanwhile, he is going to create the share your screen, Arun,
Yeah.
because your is what they are charging you in dollar, right? Close this.
Yeah. No, shut down. I'm doing
Directly
shut down.
shut down also in that way, and directly if you will close. Okay.
Go
There
to.
is a delete button. Delete here. Wait. Do not click there. Wait. See, here if you are going to delete here, it will delete only virtual machine. Try to understand. Okay.
Okay.
If you will delete resource group directly, then it will delete resource group also inside the resource. This particular VM is what? Inside the RG test 01, that resource group, right? So better we can delete RG only, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So in that way, delete it here, and then we will click there.
Delete.
So yeah, click delete here also. Yes. Then we will delete the RG. I just want to explain you in that way also we can do it.
Okay.
Wait. First it should be completed.
Okay.
VM, go to VM test 01. No, okay, go there. Select this. There is a checkbox VM test 01. Select that. There is a delete button above. Yes. Click on delete. Type yes. Wait. Yes. Confirm delete. There is just above. Yeah, in that window, only a small window right hand side. Confirm delete is written, right? Type yes. YES. Now refresh. Execution is done, right? It's deleted, right?
Yeah.
A small
Yes.
YES.
Okay. Small y. Yes.
Yes, a small YES.
Now
Okay.
we have to put resource group.
Yeah. So again, we have to, this is virtual machine dashboard. We have to go to the resource group dashboard. Yeah, wait. One more thing. There is a two resource group here. Network watch RG group. Do not delete this thing. This is by default resource group they have given you.
Okay.
Okay. So please
Okay.
delete RG test 01. Click that. You will not get the option here. Please click RG test 01. That's the reason I told you click RG test 01.
Okay.
Okay. Wait. Now there is a name, right? Select
Yeah.
all the icons. Inside the RG group, there are so many things are there.
Yes.
Okay. Now click the delete button. Yes. RG test 01. Your RG resource group. No. See what is your capital R, right?
No, it shows the small only. It shows.
No. Just type
Previously.
Arch.
Okay.
Your name is what as it is you have to put.
Okay.
Now click on delete. All of you getting or not? Tell me, or any confusion? So it is in progress, right? Deleting.
Yeah.
Wait. It is not. Wait. It is in progress. You can check in notification bar. The progress bar is in progress. Right? Wait.
Yeah.
It will take few seconds. It will take few minutes. See, first module we have completed already. Okay. So out of 4 module, first module we have completed. Please focus on more on labs. And while doing the labs, I'm explaining you basics also. Correct? How to do this, that. So you will be. Whenever if you will once again if you will know listen all the recording, then it will be also if you will forget something for theory purpose and all. So Arun, what tomorrow you are going to do? Open one WordPad. Okay, let it
Okay.
be open one WordPad in your system.
Hmm.
Arun, Avilas, and Mohammed, all of you. Open
Yes.
one WordPad. Select one blank. Okay. There is a insert. After home, there is a insert in WordPad. Okay. After that, there is a cover page. First, below the home. Yeah, select that. Select second option. Yes. Here, write down AZ900 labs in document title. You have to submit this in document title.
Which one you
AZ9.
select? Insert after that?
After that, there is a document. Wait, up. There is a document title, right? Change the title. AZ900. AZ hyphen 900 labs, space labs. Fine. Now go down. Oh, save it. Okay, now go down. Here, wait, above, up. Here, Arun Kumar and reviewed by Rohit Singh. Yeah, in the box itself, reviewed by. Fine.
Sorry,
Okay.
Rohit, insert
Yeah.
cover page and which one you want to select?
Insert cover page, second one. Okay,
Annual.
go
Is it?
to yeah. Arun, go to again cover page. Let me show Muhammad also. Once again. Muhammad,
This one.
see the
Band,
second one.
Banded.
banded.
Banded. Just
Banded
increase
is
the
it?
font. Yeah. Fine.
Banded I don't see in my
Anything. Second, third one
anything.
also you just select.
Anything is
Okay,
fine, is
or
it?
first one. Yeah, anything is fine. Only you have to mention age at 900 labs, which you like. See what type of cover you likes. That's all. Depends upon. Yeah. Okay, go down. Second. Here you have to write the content and how to insert content. You know, right?
Yeah, that one we know.
How? Do it right now. All of.
I have to search in Google. Submit.
Okay. Yeah. Correct. Always that is design. Okay, go to insert. From insert you can, there is insert is the right. Okay, page number, just put insert page number. Whatever maybe you are like, please add in that pattern only. Fine.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, now if in after cover page you have to use content. Content means
Okay.
lab 1 creating the resource group first, then lab 2 creating the window virtual machine, lab 3rd install any software in the VM, right?
Okay.
All this
Okay.
stuff you have to, all these 4 labs you have to create, and also write down the step. How first you have to log into your account, right? portal.azure.com, correct? So log
Yeah.
into that, just paste step 1, paste that URL, and so that this document will be what for your future reference. After the training also you will be able to recall each and everything within 10 minutes if you will go through that. Fine.
Okay.
Okay, so tomorrow I will check all of you. Now Avilas, where are you?
Yeah, I got stuck in that login. It's giving me
Login.
bad
Why?
credentials.
Okay, Avilas, just share your screen. What happened? So
Going to share my
you
screen?
you have remember username and password?
Yeah.
Yeah, connect that. Click on connect. Put the password. If you are click on OK.
Forgot the
Password is wrong. It means you have not remember the password. Copy the password and paste it. Don't show password to any of us, otherwise we will access and the charge will go in your bucket. Again, I think there is some issues. You
Is
have
there any you can check the log kind of thing for this from the Azure VVM or the portal, anything?
there is monitoring services are available. Okay, if we will apply the monitoring services, then only. So don't go there. There are so many monitoring services, private monitoring services also. We can monitor with Cytoscope, HP Cytoscope also. Okay, that is different areas itself.
Okay.
Okay, you must be knowing, right? Cytoscope, monitoring.
To get our channel membership, click onto the join button, select the 399 plan and grow your skills immensely.
Okay, so Avilas, what you are facing, it means what you maybe by mistake you have forget the password.
Yeah.
Okay, So no issues. Click on cancel here.
He can
Okay.
delete it and recreate it again.
Yeah, yes, recreate. So let me, once again, go to dashboard, or here VM. There is a delete button is there, right? Okay. From here also you can delete, and there also select that. There is a delete. Second last. Yes. A small y, yes. Delete it. Delete it. Okay. It is in progress. Wait, it will take time. Mohammed, are you able to access the VM or not? Or are you
Yes,
facing
yes.
any issues?
Yeah, I'll no issues for me.
Okay, so tomorrow I need
I'll
all the
send
steps.
document tomorrow. Yeah.
Yeah. All of you. No need to send right now. Okay, just I will validate in class only. At the end of AZ 900, I need all the documents.
So
All of
only
you.
So
three
you
labs,
need with a
right?
screenshot, right?
Create VM in Azure portal, connect to VM, install any software, right?
Yeah, there are 4 labs, and also create the resource group.
So it's with a
Okay.
screenshot, right?
Yeah, screenshots and also stepwise. Step 1, you have to navigate what? portal.azure.com. Step 2,
Yeah,
we have to search virtual machine or resource group into the search box. After that, select that, so that all the steps, if you will remember, if you are going to write down, then it will be helpful for you only, guys.
I got it.
Okay, because you will forget so many things. I know.
Yeah.
You have deleted? Okay. Now create
Yes.
new virtual machine. And Arun, you have to guide.
Okay.
RG test 01. Great.
VM.
Test 0. Let it be when 01. Looks good. Scroll down. In a state of that, just check whether they are allowing you some other
Check the
operating system or not.
size you have reduced any minimum amount. Check the whether you have reduced
It's a
minimum.
very 9 rupees only per hour, or 6 rupees per hour. We will delete. Let it be. Don't worry. Scroll up. Little bit scroll up. Check whether in a state of Windows Server 2019 data center, whether they are last one. 10. Just check with 10. Yeah. Wait. 13,000 they have credited by default in your account, right, Avilas?
Yes.
They are going to deduct from there only. Don't worry. See all sizes. Why it is not allowing you?
14,500.
Yeah, 14,500. Okay. So just select some other value. Why it is not allowing you? Select some other size. Yeah, some standard this. Yeah, it is allowing you, right? Okay.
Yes.
So these kind of validation. Close this notification bar. Okay. Arun, guide him. And password, please remember. Scroll down.
Yes.
Scroll down. Review and create.
I confirm.
Select this. Yeah. Confirm and review and create.
D6.
I need to select that confirmation.
You have not selected confirmation.
I tick, but it's not
Confirm again.
clean.
Okay.
Yeah.
Validation pass. Now click on create. Wait, deployment is in progress. It will take few minutes, 2 to 3 minutes. It is showing now in your dashboard itself. Deployment is in progress.
Yes.
No need to check in notification. Avilas, if you are not able to do, please ask me then and there. Okay.
Yeah, sure.
Don't hesitate to ask anyone. This is not for only Avilas. Anyone, Arun, Mohammed, everyone. Okay. Please ask me then and there. Like Arun have that confusion, right? Hybrid is what internal. What is that? Data center and all, right? Correct, Arun? Earlier.
Yeah.
Yeah. So now you are clear, right? There are two types of private cloud: internal
Yeah.
and external. So what is internal? What is external?
Internal is the data
On
center.
by
External is the private cloud. That was AWS or Google or
internal is owned by company.
Yes.
External is it's managed by
Provided by the cloud
United
provider.
Cloud
providers.
provider.
Yes. Great. Good.
Actually, when I doing AWS course, they said a hybrid is like a combination of on-premise and the cloud. They said that's why I asked you.
In AWS, that's the reason yesterday I told you. Whenever you are going to search the concept, okay, in AWS, what? Private also, public also, multi-cloud also, and hybrid also, right? 4 types of cloud.
Yeah.
But in Azure, 3 types of cloud. So do not mix here and there confusion. Otherwise, you will get confused.
Okay.
If everything is same, then why you are attending this, right?
So
Correct,
also Rohit,
guys?
the model also it's showing DAS, database as service. I've seen.
See,
One more question.
core concepts are same for all the cloud provider. Okay, only the services they are offering in different ways. That's all.
And naming terminologies will be different.
Yes, like there in AWS we are using EC2. Here we are using what? Virtual machine. In Google we are using virtual machine, right?
Yeah.
I'm just telling you basic. Don't worry, we will discuss in
There they are
AWS
using
things.
for
We will.
CloudWatch. Let's say for monitoring the CloudWatch.
Yes, CloudWatch is a very famous monitoring tool. Okay,
Yeah.
especially in AWS. So don't worry, we will discuss all this stuff in AWS class. Okay, I will be your trainer. Don't worry if you guys are going to enroll for AWS also. See, I am working in a cloud migration that okay. So in cloud migration, what happens? Some of the client wants AWS services. Some of the client wants Azure services. Some of the client wants what? Google, IBM. Why? Because some of the services and some of the client wants combination of all the clouds, like 2-3 clouds, multi clouds. So then we have to generate the solution for hybrid, because we have to make one packet so that it will be show that okay, your cost, what may be your existing cost, infra cost, we are decreasing up to 30 to 40%. There are so many tools are available for cloud migrations and all. Okay, FTO, all this stuff, 1000i. Okay.
One question. Sorry to interrupt you.
Yeah, please.
This Azure DevOps, they are giving a built-in tools. Whatever. Suppose we have previously if Jenkins is like separate Sonar and Maven Artifactory is different Artifactory, everything.
Everything will be available inside the Azure DevOps. Don't worry.
Okay.
You will not going to use Jira also if you're going to use Azure DevOps for project management also. Okay.
Okay.
So Azure DevOps is not only CI and CD. It is one of the services.
Okay.
Azure DevOps is just suite of service. Don't worry, we will talk all this stuff in AZ 400. Do not get confused right now.
Okay.
Copy this. Don't worry, I will cover each and everything.
No. Just
Copy.
asking because I heard this is the recently many companies have started moving to this Azure DevOps. That's why.
Yes, exactly, because it is giving you each and everything in one platform. Project
Okay.
management, deployment, repository, okay, wiki, everything. No need to use Confluence and all this stuff.
Oh, okay.
See, if you are going to use Azure DevOps, no need to use Confluence, no need to use Jira or all management tools, no need to send any kind of MOM mails. Like after the meeting we used to send MOM, right?
Yes.
No need to send, that's all. I will explain you one. I will you guys are going to do
And
some.
what about this one? Docker and Kubernetes and all? It is there.
That is separate. Do not get
Okay.
confused with that.
Okay.
Don't
They're
worry,
not providing. They're not providing that.
Azure is providing everything, but in what is you want to learn in Azure DevOps, what are the services that I will explain you.
Okay.
Azure is providing AKS, that is Azure Kubernetes services also. Don't worry.
Okay.
Azure have so many things, so many certifications. Azure cloud is very vast. So now you are able to log in, Avilas?
Yes.
No, recently
Mohammed?
I heard this one. There is a problem with this Docker and Kubernetes with the support thing. That's why people are moving to this kind of thing. That's why.
Okay.
You know,
Now select this
yeah.
and delete. There's a delete button is there. Delete from resource from virtual machine dashboard. That is the good practice.
Yeah.
Always try to delete from your instance dashboard, not resource, virtual machine dashboard. First delete virtual machine.
Okay.
Okay, so tomorrow I will check all of you, your labs. Please prepare the content also in a very like you are going to submit your document. Okay, because I'm going to verify your document. Okay, clear? Any doubt from today's class? So happy to announce that we have completed our first module. Okay, so understanding of the core concept. Now to second module name is what is the second module name? Yesterday I told you we are going to discuss about the core Azure services, guys.
okay.
Understanding core Azure services. Basics we have already covered. What is cloud, types of cloud, service model of cloud, upfront cost, right? Economics of a scale, all this stuff we have discussed. Now delete also RG group, otherwise it will charge you.
Okay.
And also after the lab, please clean your dashboard. Otherwise unnecessary it will charge you. Okay. Fine, guys.
So
your
this network watcher.
No, do not select. Do not delete network watcher first. That is default. Do not delete that. Okay. No, you are not going to delete from here. Click RG test 01.
Inside. Drill down and
inside. Yes, inside. Click that.
Okay. Delete resource group, right?
Yeah, delete resource group. Yes, and also all of you guys, you can take the access for videos. Maybe like this kind of issue, if you will forget and all, you can watch the videos. Okay.
Please enroll our general membership for $399 plan to get access of all the parts.
Along with that, you can access our other tutorials such as Docker, Ansible, Jenkins, Terraform, Splunk, AWS, Azure, and various other DevOps related premium tutorials with our channel membership. If you would have any issues with our channel membership, you can drop an email to us at contact@devopsschool.com, or you can also unsubscribe from channel membership anytime if you don't want to continue or did not like the video. To get our channel membership, click onto the join button, select the $399 plan and grow your skills immensely. Please be kind enough to like it, and you can comment any of your doubts and queries. We will reply to them at the earliest. Thanks for watching.